Donna, you spoke to some of the efficiency gains that you've found in kind of going through this process compared to the manual process that you went with prior with spreadsheets. I think I heard you mention at one point that it would typically take you, ballpark around a week in order to kind of generate the outputs needed to communicate financial results. I'm
Yeah.
curious, recognizing that, you're relatively early in the process here, any sort of a comparison that you can draw to, what that's going to look like going forward for you all and what the efficiencies there may have been?
Well, the efficiency, I think it'll take hours. What used to take us a week, and that was just crunching the numbers. That wasn't even the presentation side of it. Literally can take hours or on the fly. So we can be in a meeting with our CIP group, talking about the 10-year projections, and it's often the case that our engineering services, which drives our CIP program, they're optimistic and they have a lot of things on the plate, and they're often asked to go back and revisit that total amount and maybe scale it down a little bit for the things that are really needed in the shorter term. So I find that we will be able to utilize it for, just on the fly. Again, I said the labor discussions that I know that happen with negotiations with the union, I those, what if it's 2%? What if it's 3%? What if it's 18%? Whatever the cases are, again, those can be done on the fly. So what did used to take a week or so, and then I'll be honest, we're always apprehensive because you want it to be accurate, but you want it to be fast, and you don't always get both things at the same time. But I feel like with Synario, we can. So that's a really a big time savings win for us.